Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Ram Bighorn Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stack number E2387A. 81,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Mineral gray metallic in color. Seat 6 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. 3-piece hard tonneau cover with a locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This Bighorn has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive with auto setting, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heating and air conditioning, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger. With even more storage below. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming opener, and power sliding window controls. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon and a city average of 21 on the highway. And approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Ram, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.